How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another amazing episode of Life Made Easy. Today, guys, I did another collaboration with a company who I absolutely love. They are known as Matein, as M-A-T-E-I-N. They sent me out not over a hard shell tech backpack, but also a tech mini traveling case to bring on vacation, or if you're traveling somewhere and you need to store all your tech in one place, they got you covered. So yeah, let's hop right into it. So guys, you know that I love technology, right? I use tech every day. I make videos about tech because I love it and I'm passionate about it. But there's some cases, right? There's some cases where I absolutely can't stand technology, and that's usually when something goes wrong that really shouldn't go wrong. And you know what happened this time? I recorded an entire video and it all got erased because my SD card got corrupted, so I'm having to redo it. But if you notice, this audio quality should sound a lot better, and that is because I'm using an external microphone. I did an unboxing of this already. Obviously that file got corrupted, but guys, if you could please leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, help my channel grow and help me with the YouTube algorithm to suggest my videos to more people who enjoy technology. I would appreciate it a ton. So yeah, let's hop right into the video. Also, if you guys are curious, this is the microphone I previously got, VXR 10 by Movu. Movu, if you want to partner with me one day. Your microphone is pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, shout out to them because they make really good products. And this is only 40 bucks and it can improve the quality of your audio immensely. Another toy I got, this is the Eon Me ring light. So I'm gonna be using this so I can get better lighting for my videos, because the lighting in my room, I'm not gonna lie, pretty trash. So yeah, looking forward to that. So sadly, I can't do an unboxing because I already unboxed these when I tried to record this earlier. But just realized that the unboxing experience for Matein products is really solid. Like every time I unbox it, I'm pleasantly surprised with their packaging and stuff like that. So yeah, unboxing was great. You didn't see it, but it was great. So here's the hard shell backpack that I unboxed that you didn't see. Hopefully my SD card doesn't get corrupted again in this video. But yeah, I'm gonna go reinforce everything I said last time, what I said previously. Here's the front of the backpack. You can see the little Matein logo right there. Really nice, like matte black color, nice hard shell in the front, very robust feeling, and I really like the design. It's very clean, minimalistic, and it's black, and that's my favorite color. If you disagree that black's an actual color, leave it in the comment section down below. My second favorite color is green. Fun fact, you can probably tell with the color palette of this channel. So one really cool thing that I found about this backpack is right here on the side. This is actually a combination lock if you want to lock in your straps so no one can actually access your backpack. So that's super dope, as you can see right here. That's what it looks like. So you literally can't open the bag at all if this has happened, unless you have some metal or fence breakers or whatever. But yeah, you can set a combination lock, which is great. High security backpack. Handle, as always, extremely underrated. The handle for a backpack should be very strong, nice grip to it. This is honestly one of the best handles I've ever felt in a backpack, hands down. If we open the main compartment of the backpack, my camera's been having a lot of issues, so it's on my mind. We have the laptop section right here. I think this can fit up to probably up to a 17-inch laptop, to be honest. And it has another slot, another kangaroo slot, right below it for tablets and stuff, maybe books. But overall, there's a lot of space in this backpack, and as you can see, it completely can fold at 180 degrees, which is nuts. So lots of space. On the other side, and also I should point out that the USB cable's in here, and you can charge it. You can charge it with this slot right here. Man, this is trying to grab focus on my face constantly. But you just slide this up basically, and it reveals a little USB A port to charge your device. Remember, you need a power bank to go along with this if you actually want to like charge your stuff. Doesn't have a built-in battery, but Meten, maybe in the future you can actually add a built-in battery to these backpacks. That might be a liability with shipping and stuff, but food for thought. Yeah, on the other side, we have a zipper pouch right here, which is nice. You have a couple more pouches right here. For me, I'd usually put like my glasses case. I don't wear glasses anymore because I got LASIK, but put your glasses case in here, calculator, some pens, pencils, maybe a small notebook would fit in here very nicely. Nice Meten advertising all over here, as you can see. Very clean look, and you can fit a lot on the inside of this. So let's transition to the actual other side of this, the back side. This is where stuff is cool. This is really cool. By the way, the handles on this, super comfortable. Like great mesh material, thick. These are gonna last a long, long time. At the bottom, we have your standard zipper pouch that comes with usually all Meten backpacks. Mesh down there, super soft. One cool thing is there's actually a little zipper pouch on the handle or on the strap. That is cool, and you can like, that's like some top secret stuff right there. As always, we have the strap to put on your handle for your luggage. Just make it more convenient. Up at the top, we have some more mesh material just for more padding and make it more comfortable for yourself. And then one interesting thing that I was sort of confused about and I don't really know the purpose of is actually the zipper on the back, which you can undo. And I thought, oh, maybe this is an extra compartment. But it's not an extra compartment. It does a 360 around and goes back to where it started. And then like, this is it. Like, it's just that. It's just that. There's nothing, you can't put anything in here. I have a feeling this is intended to just increase the overall size of the backpack. If you need it, like make it thicker, which is, if that's true, that is pretty genius, I'm not gonna lie. And if I'm missing anything, I don't think I am. Yeah, you literally can't get into this compartment if you wanted to. But I have a feeling that's just to make the overall bag thicker if you have a lot of books and stuff in here, which, as I said before, that is pretty smart, I'm not gonna lie. So you can now like create a collapsible backpack on the go. Very, very smart, Meten. Okay, so I thought it'd be useful just so you could actually see like a model, a backpack model, actually like test out the backpack and like actually what it looks like and stuff. The straps are great, I gotta admit. These straps are on point, Meten. You did a fantastic job with these. But yeah, I'm a huge fan of like matte black and black in general. I mean, it matches my sweatshirt, and I love this backpack. Meten honestly has me considering like switching from my other backpack from Meten that I got and switching to this one. Actually, they sent me, no, I bought that one with my own money, I'm pretty sure. Maybe they sent that one out to me, I can't remember. But this one, this hard shell one, looks super clean. And honestly, design-wise and functionality-wise, I can't find anything wrong with this thing. Like, honestly, maybe like that zipper in the back is kind of strange, but it does serve a purpose, you know what I mean? Like, it's not useless. It's just, I just find it kind of weird. Like, maybe they could have allowed you to put some more storage in there. But other than that, it's kind of interesting how they allowed you to expand the backpack if like you really wanted to. So yeah, take a look at the tech bag. Okay people, here's the tech bag. It honestly looks like a lunchbox, but it's got like a clear plastic feel in the front and back. It's got a nice handle right here. So this is basically if you want to pack up your technology, if you're going on vacation or something like that. nice easy way to store everything in one spot and not lose anything. Got some silica gel in here, which is amazing. Always love that. In the front, we just have a clear pouch. You can put something in there. I don't know, wallet, car keys, a tile. It's up to you, honestly. Like, it's so customizable. In here, we have a zipper pocket, and then we have a bunch of straps that you can put stuff in. Not 100% sure what these are intended for, but I feel like it's up to the person using this to decide that. Maybe they have something that is required to be held down by these sorts of straps, but let's move along. On this side, we have like a bunch of mini pockets, which is cool. If you want to store some wires, some SD cards in there, and then we have some more straps, similar size to the other ones, which is cool. As I said, I don't fully know like what the intention of those are, but it's useful for some people. And then in the back, this is the cool part. We have like this, you can customize this however you want. Like, so there's this big area here, and then we got these like Velcro straps, which you can shorten the length of them and stuff, and it just goes on the sides of this, so you can adjust them however you want. If you're putting something behind here and you need it secure, this has got you covered, because you can do whatever you want with this, customize it however you want. It's Velcro, you can put it however you want, organize it however you want. So I think the main intention of this, if you want to like put headphones in here, a tablet in here, your phone in here, some wires, some camera gear, put it all in one spot and it'll get the job done. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be it for this video from Life Made Easy. If you enjoyed it, please, please, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so my video gets recommended to you guys. And currently 5,500 people have notifications turned on, trying to get that number up to 10K. So if you are a subscriber, please hit the notification bell so you guys get notified when my videos go up. Likes help promote it in the YouTube algorithm, especially watch time. So please, if you're interested in the video I'm putting out, try to watch it all the way through. I appreciate you guys immensely. Sorry I couldn't include the unboxing of these products, Matane. I had that footage and then it got corrupted and then it kind of just disappeared on me. But if you guys are enjoying this sort of content on the channel, please let me know in the comments section down below, and I'll continue to make content like this in the future. My content now is like more dynamic, more interactive with you guys, and I'm kind of enjoying it overall as opposed to just sitting at my desk and recording on my webcam. So please smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video from Life Made Easy. Peace.